Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make this box. So this is a tuck top box. It comes delivered flat like this. It's scored and it's cut, pre-cut to close the box. But before you make this box, just don't start making the box. You make sure you fold and crease the edges. And then you make the box. So I'm going to go ahead and fold all the edges and crease them properly so there's no stress when you make the box. Yeah, it will take a little bit of time, but then a box will come out looking very nice. So let's do that. So now I've folded all the edges and now I'm going to make the box. So 1 inch. So really nice flat square. If you don't fold the edge properly, then you see this maybe a little tighter. See how tight this is? So it comes a really rectangle with the sharp edges. That's all you have to do. And this video it took like a minute and a half to make this box. So you can have an assembly line of people doing the fold. If you have like 3 or 4 people, have an assembly line of few people folding the edges, and then have 1 or 2 people making the box at the end of the assembly line. So that's how I would do it if you had like a bunch of people making the box.